Welcome to PD Central Academy. Today we will learn sound of vowel I. आज हम पढ़ेंगे sound of vowel I. So let's start. B I D bid. D I D did. H I D hid. K I D kid. L I D lid. R I D rid. D I M dim. H I M him. R I M rim. T I M team. S I M sim. K I